So, can you see this? Let me make it bigger. Can you see this? That's the 5200, it's 625 euros. So I went to AliExpress. So I put here, a free blender. I wanted one that was mechanical. I didn't want digital. And the one I got was, this is the one that I bought. It's mechanical. I actually filmed an unboxing of the blender, but I don't know what happened to the footage. So I'm gonna put some photos here to show you what it looks like. It's got a pulse button and an on and off button and a dial speed, and it comes with two jugs, BPA free. It has a tamper. If you want to buy just one with one jug, you have that option. It's cheaper. It's about 66 euros, I think. And the only thing is that the cable is very short, but that's, you know, that's okay with me. As I'll show you, I'm going to do a smoothie with it, and I'm going to make a nutty cheesy sauce with it, and I'll tell you how they come out. So see you in a bit. Hasta luego. Good morning. I made my usual smoothie. I put in some greens, berries, frozen bananas, dates. I put amla powder, some spices. I put ground flaxseed, and I put a couple of Brazil nuts just to see how it copes with the nuts. I don't usually add nuts to my smoothie. So here we go. Did I say I put dates? I put 2 dates. So here we go. It's pretty smooth, very creamy. It's much better than the bullet. I can still feel, maybe if I left it longer, I don't know, but I can still feel the seeds from some of the berries. Not as bad as it was with the bullet, but much smoother. This is much smoother. As I said, I only have the bullet to compare it with. I've never had any of the very expensive blenders like Vitamix. But to me, this is more than enough. You know, the difference, I don't think the difference between paying 95 euros, which is what I paid for, yeah, that was Ella telling me to be quiet. The difference between 95 euros, which is what I paid for the machine with an extra jug, and more than almost 500 euros, which is what the Vitamix costs. I don't think, for me, it's not going to be worth it. Even if I can afford to buy a Vitamix for 500 euros. I don't know if I would. I mean, 500 euros, you can buy high quality washing machine or dishwasher or, you know, very good oven. To spend it on a small kitchen gadget is a bit crazy to me. I mean, I will have to go through 5 of those machines to okay, I love you too. Oh, I love you too. I will have to go through 5 of those machines to make buying if you know how to tell whether something is actually BPA free without doing chemical studies, then let me know so that I can check. I'll see you at the next test. Hasta luego. So I showed you how I made nut cream, nut cheese sauce, cashew cheese sauce, and it was really, really very nice, very creamy. I usually in my bullet I would have to blend it and blend it and blend it and blend it. You know, it usually takes me about 5 minutes to make it creamy, and even then it wasn't as creamy as it was with this blender. It took me about I don't know, half a minute to make a really very, very smooth sauce. So I'm very happy with it. By no means I'm saying that this is like Vitamix. I don't know what a Vitamix is like. So, but what I'm saying is that if you cannot afford a Vitamix, or if you don't want to buy a Vitamix, you know, spend like 500 euros on a Vitamix, then this is a very good buy. I don't know how long it will last. I will let you know if anything goes wrong. A quickie. I also made some gazpacho with the blender, and oh my God, it is so beautiful and creamy, and I put it through the sieve just to see how much stuff, because usually there is a lot of stuff left in the sieve if I put it through the sieve. There was hardly anything, you know. I mean, like what was left in the sieve was maybe doesn't come to a tablespoon of skin and and seeds, and I mean, I can't taste any seeds, I can't taste any skin. It is beautifully clean. So far, as I said, I would highly recommend it if you're not willing to pay that kind of crazy money for a Vitamix. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you've liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell so that you are notified when I publish any video. Hasta luego!